News is just coming in that Prince Harry has lost the High Court case against the Home Office, and the court is saying that the Home Office was perfectly justified in removing a lot of the security that he was afforded, that it was their right to do so. Well, that may well be the case. The Home Office has said previously that his security was decided on a case-by-case basis. His lawyers have argued that this was unfair, even though he had stopped being, quote, a working royal. And there would be bespoke arrangements specifically tailored to him. And he would no longer have the automatic security for a full-time working royal. I find this a very sad decision by the courts. It is nevertheless a decision. As I pointed out in an earlier video today, the fact that there is a legal decision upholds the principles of the law. The law is based on words which are written down. Those words need to be examined. The law is clear. But the laws on which the decision have been made may not be so clear, and the precedents may not be so clear. And so there is an opportunity, I think, to review this later on. I think this may be politically and it may be legally sound. I think it's ethically appalling. I think for a senior member of the royal family, a son of the king, to be pilloried in this way in the public courts and to be denied the sort of security which is still on offer in principle to Prince Andrew is simply shocking. Simply shocking. But then, I'm not saying Prince Andrew shouldn't have security. He is a direct member of the immediate royal family. And he may have done things or he may not have done things which raise an eyebrow, but his security is important. And if his security fails, that would be a significant problem, and the same with Prince Harry. This is like why we pay insurance. And I think the Home Office is absolutely wrong. It's effectively using royal security as a sort of penalty, as a sort of smack. It's not. Royal security is about the security of the immediate family around the monarch. And I think that's in the interests of the Crown, and I think it's in the interests of the government. And I think at the present moment, the courts have almost certainly made the right decision on the basis of the evidence that they've got and on the basis of the rules that are currently in order. Those rules, I think, are wrong.